Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the music video of Akira and GL of BGYO with the song entitled Be Mine. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Finally, they released a music video of this song. So I'm really happy and excited to make my reaction. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction video to their in-studio version of this song Be Mine, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one many weeks ago. So i-check na natin. Akira GL Be Mine. Ooh, fancy. Wow. May pa dark effect pa ha. Wow. Ganda na tingnan. Naka-white. Ganda man kung ano nila, kanta. Sana noon pa to ginawa nila na music video. Yung kasagsagan pa ng ano, senior high na series. Kasi isa ito sa mga ano soundtrack doon. Dapat noon pa inano nila, ginawa ng music video. Ganda talaga ng boses ni GL. Ooh, emote na emote si GL ah. Ang ganda rin ng ano guys, no? Kanta na to. Baby, give us a chance. Aki. Galing ng boses ah. Ang taas. Wow guys, ang ganda talaga ng song na to. Kaya lang guys, parang late na nila ginawa ng music videos kasi as I mentioned a while ago na isa to sa mga soundtracks noong ano, yung series na Senior High. So ang ganda lang ng ano nila guys, yung music video, yung effects nila sa dark plus yung mga lights na ano, parang nasa basement lang yung ano nila, site location sa music video nila. And gusto ko talaga yung boses ni GL at saka ni Aki, lalo pa pag ano nito sila yung magkasabay silang kumanta. Ang galing ng ano nila, yung harmonies nila, ang galing ng boses nila. Iba kasi yung texture, ano yun, iba yung quality ng boses ni GL at saka yung kay Aki. Aki parang mataas siya na manipis, si GL naman parang buo yung boses niya. So ang ganda lang nila pakinggan. Isa to sa ano vocalist sa BGYO, kaya ang ganda ng pagkakanta nila. Yung feel mo talaga yung emotions guys ha, yung feelings na inilagay nila sa pagkanta nila. Makikita mo talaga kahit nakapikit ka lang, parang damang-dama mo yung meaning ng song. So which is really good. They're really good storyteller. So proceed natin. Ooh, may pa-car effect pa ha. Forte talaga nilang mga ganitong klaseng kantas ha. Baby, give us a chance. Galing ng melodies ha. Yung beat sa kanta. Tingnan mo yung mga facial expression nila. Damang-dama mo talaga yung kanta. Ooh! My dance break! Woo! Wow! Ang sexy niya, tingnan pagsayaw ah. Emote na emote. Galing na din la sumayaw. Boses talaga ng dalawa eh. Ganda pakinggan. Ang galing ng dance break nila sa Ooh. Cat. One take? Whoa, really? Ang galing ah. Ganda ng music video nila. Damang-dama mo talaga yung meaning ng song. Alam mo na. Wow. Nakaka-enjoy. So there you go guys, my reaction to the music video of Akira and JL of BGYO with the song entitled Be Mine. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.